Hey guys, Danny, welcome back to another Chicago Fire reaction. Are you guys excited? It is, I know I'm doing this one a bit late. It is Monday, as you can already tell by the date. It's 20 past 8 and we are about to get into last week's episode, this week's, but it's a good thing about this week because you guys will get 2 Chicago Fires this week and PDs. But can we talk about that crossover? It was fucking amazing. And this promo from memory, there's nothing from memory coming to me, so I'm just gonna watch it. Oh, Cruz, fucking Chloe ended the relationship and she didn't want to let him propose. That's what I do remember. But other than that, let's just get into it and we'll talk at the end. You know me. Oh, I don't have a drink. Oh, we'll worry about that.
Ask Chloe to marry me.
Also, there won't be a little screen this week because it's not a finale, mid-finale, or crossover.
Really
So,
sorry, Joe. You
oh, still alright.
got everything you need for the trip.
Oh,
Flamin' hot snack, very chill.
that's because Kelly's calmed you.
Stella.
Calm down.
Hey.
A kiss.
Alright, we'll call you tonight.
Mwah.
You got this, Stella kid.
Yeah, she does.
So did Cruz pop the question?
He hasn't said anything to me yet.
Says the guy they used to call Kirby for taking corners too short.
Oh.
Whoa, who doesn't love cake? That's what unity is.
Oh God.
It's like the airbag sent her knees into her face.
Broken nose, blunt force trauma to both eyes.
Oh my God. Yep, that's why they say you don't put your legs up there. Holy fuck.
You also have a cervical fracture.
Okay, let's come down now. Oh my. They always start it stressful, don't they?
That could work. Hey, you! We need your help! Thank you,
Yeah, come here.
Hit shit and hold still. Hey, miss.
Is she gonna vomit?
You okay? Here we go!
Slowly. Okay.
Hang on, we're almost there. Got her.
Oh. 2. Oh. Oh.
Yes.
Did they put her legs flat? I didn't see.
I guess some sort of bonus or something, man? What?
What?
No, forget it. You people want free work, free work.
Is he for real?
Thank you. Thought this was officers only.
Oh wow.
None of you. Congrats. I heard you finally made the
Oh, there you go. Now she's out of the bubble.
Last time I saw you,
Fuck,
you
he's
guys
grown.
feeding him.
I keep
He wants to be a firefighter just like his papa.
Oh.
I tried talking him out of it, but he's stuck on fire.
Yeah, which street's on fire?
Oh,
It doesn't have to be.
The liability issues that you've created.
don't start this
What
shit.
had gone wrong? If that tow truck had been damaged,
This is because the guy said he didn't want, he wanted to be paid.
You would have exposed the city to a major
Oh,
loss.
let's
It
go.
all worked out.
He's suing them so he can get some more money. Oh, but
Her truck
no, fuck off.
is ultimately. It was absolutely necessary to move the car, Chief. Girl's life depended on it. It was the right call to make.
Exactly.
Today with a pop quiz.
Oh, lovely.
Why aren't they on your hands? Show that hose pack up the stairs and back. Go!
Fuck.
First question.
It's like she's back at the academy again. Oh my God.
Wait, is that what you were going to ask?
Nope.
I was just gonna see if you would maybe do a section on the slam again. In the burn notice.
Yeah, sure.
But then you threw that.
Hey, you have every right to make a big thing of this.
She broke your heart. She was a bitch. Man.
You know,
Where did he go so far?
I haven't run that many stairs since the academy.
You got it.
you got this, Stella kid.
Thank you.
It's the same fucking...
I tip over. Copy that.
That's why they're so fucked up. It's a fucking tow truck hitting them. Or he's got an accomplice because they're saying car, not a...
Doing good. I'm gonna give you some morphine for the pain and then we're gonna get you to the hospital, okay?
Yeah, give him that morphine. It's amazing how they can do that, but it's also sad that you have to buy a new car after this.
As soon as we're back, I'm reporting his ass. Driver up front said it. Same tow truck at both.
We need to call in PD.
I wouldn't send anyone in, Chief.
Are you telling me you let those people die?
At 300 degrees for a minute. So at that point, it's a recovery. It's not a rescue. Chief.
Go Stella!
Finally, the correct answer.
There you go, that's the confidence boost you needed. Oh, I'm so happy. We actually got a theory over that, which is really weird.
Great.
Yes, she was lucky. Said if she'd come even 1 minute later, she might have lost her legs.
No kidding.
Thanks, man. For what you do.
I'm just happy it worked out.
There's the confidence boost for you.
I don't want to cry, but
Why?
what happened?
You know that Snapchat filter with all the floating hearts?
Yeah.
That's what I saw.
Changed.
Last couple of months, I've been spending a lot of time with Lily. Helped her plan the wake with Otis's family.
Oh, you're gonna bring up Otis again? Fuck.
Letting him go.
Please tell me you talked them back to being together. It's gotta be some sort of like drug thing. That's all I can think of.
You taking pictures of my property?
Yep.
Yeah. Better watch yourself.
Really, you're gonna threaten him? Now you need to go to PD. Now. I don't know why we haven't done that already.
Oh, riddle? I hate riddles. There's no point to them. You know what you want to say, so just say it already, alright? Stop dicking around.
Where's the fun in that?
Hey,
She's talking about Brett and Casey, I bet.
buddy, I'm on my way. Alright. Looks at a pool party and something went wrong. They dialed 911, but the party's only a block from here.
I'm coming with
Yeah,
you.
you need, paramedic.
What happened?
He was jumping off the roof into the pool. He missed.
He did.
Alright, he's conscious. Hey,
It's conscious.
what's your name? And did you know what's wrong? You tell him to stop and you don't let him do it.
Dad,
No. No buts. You disappoint me, son. Now go get your bag. Meet me in the van.
Oh. He.
And a few words.
We could try the next issue. Dig a little deeper.
but this isn't the blind item that I wrote.
Just trying to set a standard here.
Okay, I see.
He's running some sort of crash for cash scam.
Talk to anyone at PD.
Not yet. Waiting for something concrete. I was thinking I could stake a place out after shift, see if I can catch him in the act.
No, we need to inform now.
The lead car, the second accident, was a gray Chevy sedan, Impala. Driver was pretty banged up. Scruffy looking guy.
I nominate Stella Kidd.
I second that.
Oh.
Third. All right. Good chief knows how to handle an axe, lay hose, but also commands the respect of those under him. Or her. As an incident leader, you'll be responsible for getting your team in and out safely. I will be keeping time.
Oh god. No pressure.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh. Ho, 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 ho.
And I don't get nervous.
I wouldn't leave him alone. They could fucking kill him in the bed. Oh, they brought him in. Woo! Jay.
Fishing. Yeah.
Hey.
Good tip. These punks weren't content gouging their customers. They started causing accidents too. Happy to help. Yeah. The witness you gave us down in Med, he's cooperating. Should put Mr. Goatee and his pal away for a while.
Yeah. Suck on that.
We got this lot. It's gonna be shut down for good. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, man, anytime.
Oh.
potential.
And that is high praise indeed coming from you.
I think she's Anna Wintour.
There we go.
I just wanted some birthday cake.
Welcome back.
You gonna apologize to him now?
What?
You raised him right.
Hey, how was shift?
I turned the truck keys back over to Kid.
Oh. You like driving.
I didn't mind it.
What say you drive me to dinner?
I say, buckle up.
He said the line. Oh. Oh. What did you bake? Oh God. Please be good. Please be good. Please be good.
Come on. I can't save you. Chloe, I'm never gonna complete. Baking really helps calm me down.
What's this? A lot of baking.
Can you make up the letters? That one there, it's a K, but my frosting pen got jammed. Right when...
Oh my God.
Chloe Allen. Will you make me the happiest and luckiest man on this earth?
Fuck
Be
yeah.
my
Yes.
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 Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Okay. Oh, I'm so jealous. Okay. Let me quickly watch the promo for next week.
Check the back, but don't go inside. Copy that, Captain.
Oh God.
I'll get there.
No.
Chicago Fire, new next Wednesday on NBC. A feud between gods.
Doesn't listen, does he? He doesn't. Told you, Galaxy, you grew me with the little sub story, but okay. But that's. But can we talk about Stella? Oh, is Bowden gonna make her higher her rank? Oh, and then Chloe and Chris, they got back together, and now they're gonna get married. Oh, I'm still waiting on Casey and Sylvie to hook up or do something together, because I need that. I need to explore that shit. It's just good. That was a good episode. I'm a bit worried that Kelly with the car people. I feel like that could linger on to another episode, but I'm not 100% sure. But that was good. It was good. And I can't wait for this week. I don't have to wait a week. I have to wait just this week. A few more days. So that was it for this reaction, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below so I can chat to you down there about it. If you like my content and want to see more of me, you can go over to that episode and hit that subscribe button. You guys know what to be, a cheeky fucker. And other than that, I will see you guys probably... I'll see you guys at the end of the week. Bye!